This is our building project update for May of 2022. I'm Greg Somerville with Guatemala Deaf Ministries, and I'd like to show you what's been going on. So, as you can see, the walls are going up. At the top of these walls here, there will be windows. This is the main sanctuary. There will be windows here, and the windows will allow some light, but also some ventilation. We'll be able to open them, get some ventilation in here. This actually gets a curved roof over the sanctuary part right here. And then on the tops of the windows, there will be a channel, a canal, which will then take the rainwater and channel it away from the building. Here we are in the front of the church building. Once the walls are up and everything is done, all the walls are done on the inside, then we'll start working on the face of the church here. And we've got a really nice design for that. On the outside of in the front of the church right here will be a hallway with some arches here, and that'll come out to about where I'm standing. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So let me show you the workshop and the apartments. So follow me. Here we are in front of the workshop building and apartments. As you can see, the walls are going up. Now this gets the same roof in the middle over the workshop area as the church building in the front. The sides will be basically the same. It'll be sloped roofing on the sides over the apartments. Once these walls are up and the channels are up to take the rainwater away from the building, then we'll start working on the face of the building, which will be kind of similar in design to the church building up in the front here. Meanwhile, we've been working on the septic system and leach pits, and that's off to my right over here. Up on the hill behind me, we're going to be putting up a large white cross. Now that cross is already built, it's welded, it's painted, it's ready to go. We're just waiting to put in a foundation for it of concrete up on the top here. So it's important for the community here in El Progreso to know that this is a Christian organization. For the deaf community here, everything has a sign. The sign for Guatemala Deaf Ministries is this. Okay, this is Guatemala, and this is Guatemala Deaf Ministries. So we had to choose a name for this place. What is the name of this place? So we have chosen the name of Tres Clavos. Tres Clavos in English means 3 nails, and it represents the 3 nails that nailed Jesus to the cross. Now the name sign for that is 3 and this, and it represents the nails going into Jesus's hands. So it's 3 and this. Now the community over here, El Pino, the name sign for that is just this. So it's without the 3. So take the 3 away and you've got El Pino. So this is Tres Clavos, and this is El Pino. Okay? All right, well that's it for now. Please consider donating to this project. There's still lots to do. Please pray for the ministry. The lots going on, other than what's going on here in the property, in the building, there's tons of stuff going on in the school over here in El Progreso. So please pray for that too. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.